Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make coconut cake. So let's see what you need for this. Let's get started. First beat the butter until it's smooth. Add the sugar and beat until light and fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add eggs one at a time. Add vanilla. Then add the flour. Baking powder, and salt. Then add milk in 3 additions. Grease the cake pan with butter. Then add the batter into the pan and sprinkle with coconut. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Now for frosting, beat the butter until it's smooth. Add the cream cheese and vanilla. Then add coconut milk and icing sugar. Remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool completely. Spread frosting on top. And sprinkle with coconut. Hope you guys like it. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.